Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ayan. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So, welcome back to the third session of the pre-seminar workshop on AI application of AI ML using Google Earth Engine. So, Ayan, you have done a very good job. So, excellent way of teaching. Thank you so much. And all the participants, I request all of you, please come our colleagues in upcoming international seminar. Hopefully, we will all meet very soon. So now I would like to request Mr. Ayan Ghosh, please start your session without wasting any time.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Once again, very good evening to all of you. And I hope all of you have practiced last day class, and still so many people are joining. But we have the stipulated time frame, and that's why we can't delay. We can delay more. So, so we shall start. Okay. So, have you any confusion regarding yesterday's class? Do you have any confusion regarding yesterday's class? Is it fine? If you have any confusion before starting today's class, we can discuss. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can share your views, and you can share your confusion, you can share your problem. If you get any difficulties during your practice sessions, you can share, so that we can so that we can able to solve the problem, unless until we will move our today's sessions. Okay. So we shall start. Okay. Now I am sharing my computer screen. Just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. I am sharing my screen. I think it is visible right now. Is it? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir, it is visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now lots of people are joining. I understand maximum of you participants are have a tight schedule, and once again I would like to thanks to all of you, respected sir, madam, research scholar, and dear students, that having a tight schedule, you people are joining within time. So it is really inspiring for us that having a tight schedule, you people come and join the class and enjoying your session. So it's really, I want to give thanks to all of you, and I want to give thanks entire geography department of Rampurhat College to give me that kind of opportunities to share my views, share my experience to all of you. So GIS remote sensing has lot of opportunities nowadays, no? Lots of opportunities. If you are a student, if you are a research scholar in the field of geographical background, then lots of use over there. You can use JavaScript in the platform of Google Earth Engine. You can use drone map. You can fly drone. You can process the drone image and create a ortho rectified image and process high resolution image over there. So lots of opportunities over there, and just go and explore all those things. Go and explore lots of new technologies, new opportunities over there. New satellite has been launched, and new data are we are receiving new standards of data. So along with that, we can explore our art in a very lucid manner. Okay, so now today we will learn one new thing, which is filtering. So what is filtering? So filtering is one kind of extractions. Filter means you have so many things, you have lots of things. Amongst them, you will extract particular portions. This is called filtering. So let's say last class we import Landsat image with the use of 3 or 4 line codes, and we saw the image of entire world, and with the helping of map.set center, we recenter our exact study area. Now we saw that if you practice, you may face that your study area may be full with cloud cover. Your study area may be full with cloud cover. Now, what we want to do, we want to reduce the cloud portions and get the exact image of that particular area. So we will make a operations of cloud cover. So without delaying, we will go for that. Lots of people asking me if I want to extract exact my study area, how to do. If I want to extract particular images of particular dates, how to extract all those things. So today our agenda is filtering. We will make filter upon the Landsat image and see how to do all those things one by one. Okay. So just go with me. To get the Landsat data, what to do? Anybody amongst you, to get the Landsat data, what to do? To get the Landsat data, first of all, you have to type here Landsat. Landsat. If you type here Landsat, now you may see lots of data are available over there. You may see lots of data are available over there. Amongst them, you can choose your desired data. So let's say in our case, this is our desired data. Now we can copy our desired data. Along with that, we can see rest of the metadata. So how many bands are there? So there are band number 1 to band number 11. One participant today asked me how to do false color compositions, how to do true color compositions. So those are the use of all those bands. So if you want to do false color compositions, standard false color compositions, so you have to mention all those band sequentially. If you arrange it proper sequentially, definitely you will have the proper false color compositions, or you may go for true color compositions. Anyway, there is another few more things. There is few more things which are that. So just go with me. There is few more things, bands. Now image properties. Now see here, few properties are there. Now there is a few properties which are there. Now cloud cover. Cloud cover means there is a field which can stores the data of cloud, and usually it represents to 0 to in percentage value, it's 0 to 100. If I want to take 100% cloud, then I will allow 100%. If I don't I if I agree with 5% cloud, then I have to assign accordingly. Then cloud cover land, so that kind of features are available. So we have to use those field. Those are the attribute table. We have to use those attribute table for reducing the cloud cover. So just go with me one by one. You can see the result. Okay. So just go with me. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to take one variable. We have to take one variable. How to take the variable? VAR. How to take the variable? How to take the variable? It's just like VAR. How to take the variable? It's just like VAR. So one thing, lots of things we have already learned during last 2 days. So it is essential to practice all those things. Until I will make you learn all those things, but due to lack of practice, you may forgive all those things. So don't think it's a home task. It's for you. It's for your execution. It's for your project execution. It's for your submissions, a new type of paper using machine learning and Google Earth Engine. Lots of opportunities over there to use to apply Google Earth Engine in further studies, in your further research, in your further publications. So for your own study, for your own explorations, just go for practice, not because of me, but because of you. Just go and practice. Unless until you will not able to memorize all those things. But it's a, believe me, it's a very simple, very easy to digest, not at all hard to digest, very easy to digest. Just go with that. And the way which I already shown you, just follow it. Definitely you will able to reach your goal. And in between, you, if you get any difficulties, always I will be there to help you out. Always. You can I already shared my phone number to all of you. Once again, I am repeating my phone number: 9836421525. Apart from that, you can communicate with me via Facebook, via LinkedIn, via Instagram. You can able to communicate with me. Definitely, I will be always there to help you out. If you get much, if you want to clear if any confusion after completions of this 4 days workshop, if you get after that, if you get any confusion, let's say after completions of the seminar, if you get any confusion, please feel free to ask me. Always after, if you get a much more knowledge, if you want to know much more about it, if you want to get much more training, always I will be there to help you out. Okay. So any kind of confusion, any kind of problem, any kind of further knowledge, any kind of further training, I will be always there to help you out. Anyway, and just go for today's sessions. So how to take the variable? So just this is very clear to you how to take the variable VARL8. Let's say Landsat 8, or whatever variable you can you wish, you can give a name. Then where we have to go? You all people know we have to go on that particular portions. Where, from where we can able to get the exact data for server. So just copy it and paste it. Okay, clear? Just wait a bit. Landsat Landsat, just copy it, and paste it. Very easy. Just copy it and paste it. Okay. Now our second criteria is, what is our second criteria? Anybody? What is our second criteria? Anybody?
Filtering.
Okay. Oh, and is there anybody who is able to say what is our second criteria? Map dot Anybody? Map dot set center. So how to do map.center? If you have the if you able to remember the exact code, then you can type over here. If you forget, don't worry. Just keep it in mind. I have to write one map.setCenter. If you able to, if you keep in your mind that I have to incorporate one map.setCenter, then you don't need to remember entire code. What to do? Just go to docs and just type map.setCenter. Map.setCenter. Once you type, I believe that has been very you people are all very accustomed all those things. And map.setCenter, map.addLayer, this is now your instinct, or not? This is now your instinct. You people are now easily able to say what to do. So just collect map.setCenter, just copy it and just paste it. So those are called what? Those are called what? Those are called arguments. Those are called what? Those are called argument. Now we have to fill the argument. Let's say which area we want to see. Now let's say our next seminar is on Rampurhat. We will try to get the image of Rampurhat. Let's say this is Rampurhat. Okay. So how to take the lat long of that particular locations? Anybody? How to take the lat long of that particular locations? Anybody? Anybody?
Sir,
By
we have
taking the
go
Which
through
inspector.
tool
inspector.
By taking the instructor.
Inspector. Yes, sir.
inspector? Very good, very good. Who is giving the answer? Who is? Can I have the name? Good
Sir,
name, please.
Dipankar Das.
Dipankar. Very good, Dipankar. So just click on Rampurhat. Okay, and just copy it. Just copy it and paste on the lat long. Easy. Now what you have to do? Now go to zoom. As a zoom level, you have to give. Now let's say 5. Okay. Now I want to see the exact image. Now what to do? I think you people will able to say what to do. What to do? Map dot add layer. Map dot add layer. What to do? Map dot add layer. Map.addLayer. Once you type map.addLayer, the add layer functions will appear in front of you where it is map.addLayer. So just copy it and paste it. Just copy it and paste it. Now one by one, what will be the EE object? EE object is, this is the yesterday's
Eight.
already we know. Just we have to incorporate L8. Okay.
Yes, sir. L8.
Now visualizations parameter. For the visualizations parameter, what we have to do? We have to input one dictionary. Word for visualization parameter, we have to input one dictionary. Just wait. Just input one dictionary. So just copy it. Just copy it. Sorry. Dictionary means what to do? You have to incorporate one curl bracket, and here you have to give the minimum value. Let's say minimum value would be
0.0
0.0
and maximum
and
value 0.5.
0.5, 0.6. So according to your requirement. Okay, 0.5. Very good. Now, once again, we have to use the band. Okay, BANDS bands. Now give another is to sign. Okay, now what we have to enter? We have to enter one square bracket. Now here in between, first in between semicolon, one by one, B5, comma, B before, then before, then what? B3, B3, okay, and the name will be Landsat, okay, Landsat, okay. Now see the result. We don't need all those anymore. Now see the result. Now we have to go run. It will take a moment. It will take a moment. Now see the result. This is automatically those things are coming. So as I am simultaneously doing lots of things using net, just like I am fetching, downloading the data. At the same time, I am uploading my data using screen share. So that's why it take a moment to represent all those things. But in your case, probably you will get much more faster result if you do only downloading. I am downloading as well as uploading. I am downloading the satellite based data. At the same time, I am uploading my all data by sharing my screen. That's why it take a bit time. Though I am using a high speed net, in spite of that, it take a few moments, okay. So I think if you practice all those things, you may you doesn't get that kind of that much time. You will get much more faster way. Now you see, as you see, there are so many area is covered with clouds. There are so many area is covered with clouds, okay. Now what to do? I want to remove all those clouds. I want to remove all those clouds. So this is called filtering. This is called what? This is called filtering. So how to do that filter? I want to remove the cloud. So one cloud removal operations I want to go. I will perform. So just go with me. So till that portion, is it very clear to you? Is there any confusion to any of you? I am just asking one by one. Just give a response so that I can have a clear idea. So one by one, Sri Anis Kafil, Sri Anit, Anitavo Ghosh, Sri Arunadha, just wait a bit. Asif Anand, C. Sinha, David, Sri Devashis Sarkar, Sri Dhania Parveen, Sri Dipankar Das, Dr. Hawk, Dr. Mandol, Dr. Joy Prakash Rajok, Srimati Gargi Sarkar. Are you getting all those things?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, Srimati Gayatri Sarkar, Srimati Gayatri Malve, Mr. Harikala Chhetri, uh, Mr. Kaviraj from Bangladesh, Mr. Roman. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Mr. Khaman Michael Maiti, Mr. Kiran Jalem, Mr. Kuldeep Goswami, Srimati Merum Begum, Mohammad Noor Hossain, Mr. B. Chetri from Nepal. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir, getting it.
Yeah.
Okay. Menuka, how are you? Menuka, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are
Very
you, sir?
good. Very nice to meet with you. I know
Okay,
Menuka,
thank you, sir.
she's from Nepal. Okay, okay, thank you. Best wishes, Menuka. We shall meet on Rampurhat, na? Anyway,
Yes, sir.
stay safe, stay blessed. Yes, thank you. Mohammad Noor Hussain, Menuka, Mou, I know also Mou Gorai personally. Anyway, Mrinal Kanti Roy, Nirmal Payal Bhattacharya, Srimati Paramika Deka, are you getting it? Priyabrata Das, Sathi Kiran,
Yes, sir.
Saran Kailash, Soumik Shaha, Sri Soumik Shaha, Sri Saurabh Singh, Sri Sudipta Guha, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Sudipta Sarkar, Shivli,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sujata
It's clear, sir.
Suman Dev Barman. If you get, I am asking, I try to interact with personally,
Yes,
but
sir.
it is like very difficult to interact with all of you during during that sort of time span. Definitely, we will interact during the seminar. Anyway, Srimati Sujata Karmaka, Sri Srujit Devnath, uh, Bhanal, I may, sometimes it's difficult to pronounce. Mr. Laichung, are you getting it? Mr. Xiomi, are you getting it? Anyway, anyway, you are. I just nothing else. I just want to interact with you all personal, all direct, all individually, so that we can able to resolve all problems. Sometime I found that some people, some students, some young students who are very novice, they may feel some shy to ask the questions. That's why I want to interact with all of them, so that I am trying my best to make you understand. This is the reason. Anyway, so now our motto is to reduce the cloud. Okay, to reduce the cloud. So how to do all those things? Now we will use filter. So one filter. Now give one filter. So I in between map.add layer, I am using one variable filter, variable cloud filter. C or variable filter. Okay, filter, sorry, filter, filter. Let's see what happened. So I want to use one filter. Okay, so I am taking one variable. Okay, so which will be the from where we will make the filter, from which variable we will make the filter, from which variable? Anybody? From variable
Landsat 8.
L8.
Landsat 8.
Variable L8. Variable name is L8. Just copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it. Then give a syntax dot filter. To go for filter, then you have to give variable name dot filter. Variable name dot filter. If the your syntax appears in different color, it indicates you are writing exact syntax. Unless until, let's see, if I omit the R, it is appeared as black. That indicates you are not able to write the syntax in proper way. So if I once I enter the filter, so this is the this spelling is a syntax. Okay, filter. Now you have to introduce one fast bracket. Now the terms, the syntax is, once again I have to enter another syntax. This is ee dot filter. E dot filter is once again another syntax. So L8 dot filter, L8 means variable dot filter, then in between first bracket dot capital F, try to remember, dot filter. Now few things you should know. There is a syntax dot lt. Dot lt means less than, and dot GT means greater than. Dot LT means less than, and dot GT means greater than. Okay, so we will use a filter of less than 10% cloud. We will use a filter of less than 10% cloud. So we will use dot LT. We will use dot LT. We will use what? We will use dot LT. Okay, clear? Now just go to Landsat. Now which field stores the cloud data? That field, cloud cover field, and that cloud cover field stores which kind of information? Percentage of cloud cover, 0 to 100%. This that data stores the cloud cover in percentage, 0 to 100. It's 0 to 100. That data stores the cloud cover 0 to 100. Okay, so now one by one, just go with me. So always I have to incorporate the parameter or tolerance value within 0 to 100. Within 0 to 100. Okay, so this is the fact. So I have to mention that field. That field is responsible for storing the data. That field is responsible to storing the cloud covered data. That field is responsible. Which field? Which field? Cloud cover. Okay, now just copy it and close it and go to your desired location. Then give another bracket over here. Then give another bracket over here. Then within a single code, incorporate cloud cover. Okay, cloud cover of less than how much? Less than what percent? Less than 10%. Do you got it? Once again, will I write the code again? So you people say I will write. So what to do? What to do? VAR variable. Now what to do? Variable
Filter.
Variable
filter.
name.
FILTR. Variable filter. Very good, fantastic. Then you people, I strongly believe you people will able to say, and you will able to say and say. Just go for it. I strongly believe. Anyway, now fast. What to do? What to do?
Data landsat 8
L8.
bracket
Name of data.
L8.
Very good. Dot filter. Here you have to insert one filter. Dot filter. So this is the syntax. L8 dot L8 dot FILTER. FILTER. Remember, this filter is starting with small f. This filter is starting with small f. Now go another, give another bracket. Now EE dot filter. So that EE dot filter, that F will be, that filter F will be capital. That filter F will be, say, capital. Then I want to do which kind of filter? LT. LT means less than, and GT means greater than. So we will use LT. And then we have to incorporate the field. Which field stores the cloud data? Cloud data. So which field stored? Image properties. This is called metadata. From the metadata means data about data. Metadata means data about data. So that field stores the metadata, which that image properties. From here we came to know that may be in different name also for the different satellite. Okay, so you have to check it out metadata. There is no fixed rules that each and every satellite will stores the data in in that manner. Cloud cover, there may be store cloud stroke cover, cloud underscore cover, clouds cover without space. So that depends on the satellite metadata. You have to check it out. Okay. Now in our case, I am checking it that cloud cover. Just copy it, and where to go? Where to go? Where to go? Just paste it. And in the front and in the end, we have to incorporate one single code. So those tiny things are played an important role. If you omit any one of that, the code will not able to run. Okay, then give a comma.
comma,
Then what to do? Then what to
10,
do? Then give a 10.
10 limit.
Okay, okay. Now give a single invited comma. Now still it is giving some error. So where is the
Another
error? Will you able to say?
another bracket.
Yes.
Another bracket is
So,
needed.
so thing is that you don't need to now you are understanding that you don't need to memorize anything. That machine learning system or that AI system always ready to help you out. But the previous programming systems are not that much of user friendly. In let's I am saying the when we were writing code 10 years back, 10 years back, there is no such kind of things, such kind of assistance was there to help me. There is no assistance after writing the entire code. If you mistake, if you forgive any comma after writing, let's say 100 number of lines, they will say the programming language will only say that you did some mistake. But where is the mistake? What can be the mistake? That system will not assist you. But today those systems are assisting you each and every moment to take the help of it. It became much more easier for today's learner, and for also and also for me, and also for the all user who are using that kind of programming language. So take the help of those particular things. Okay. So it instruct you that you may missing something. So if you forgive, that will be like that. That will be just like your mother. Whenever you are leaving your house, leaving your home, leaving your house, your mother asked you, did you take your umbrella, did you take your water bottle, did you take your what I say, did you take your tiffin? So this is like just like that, so you can relate. Okay. So as a assistance, as that kind of assistance, we are incorporating one second bracket over there. Now I am almost we almost do the filter. Now one thing I have to change in my map.add layer. What I have to change, anybody amongst you? Here we should change one thing, unless until result will be same. A result, the previous result will come. So do you able to say, in spite of doing the filter, we will see the result with full of cloud? Why? Just wait.
Maybe in place of elite, we have to put filter.
Yes, yes, please.
Maybe
No,
in,
we have to
We did
we
filter
have to put
operations.
filter in place of elite in
edit, right,
map.add
right.
layer.
Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic, fantastic, and thank you for giving a response. Your name, please, sir. Your good name, please, sir.
Kuldeep.
Your good name, please, sir. David.
Kuldeep.
So thank you, Mr. Kuldeep. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You are doing absolutely fantastic. So just and it's my pleasure that you honorable teacher, honorable teachers, honorable sir, madam, and all the participants, research scholar are doing fantastic. It's always inspire me. Anyway, run and see the result. Just wait and see the result. This is Rampurhat. See, almost cloud free now. Almost this location almost became cloud free. So if you want to much more, if you want to reduce more and more cloud, you have to change the tolerance value over here. Okay, got it? Each and every of you got it? How it is? Let's say, is it amazing now? With the writing of four simple line, what we are doing, unbelievable. This is unbelievable. That sort of work, if you want to do with your USGS Earth Explorer, it will take a lots of time. It will take a lots of time. Almost for the world, year after year it will take. And we are reducing time, and time means money. If we able to reduce our project duration, we are able to earn much more amount of money and much more amount of resource. Is it? So this is the power of machine learning and JavaScript in the field of geospatial science and in the field of geographical research. Okay, so if you got it, I will move on. I will show you much more type of scripting. Okay, so you people got it. Now once again I am just changing the value. I am making it 50 in, or I am making it 5. Let's see what happened. So we can almost able to reduce maximum number of clouds. No, so are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? Yes or no? If you not able to give answer, you can respond with uh, if you able to, okay, thank you. So now what to do? Now one by one. So now we will move on second part of portions. Is there any shall we move now? Shall we move? Okay, so now we will do some different type of what I say, some different type of filtering. Okay, so just go with me for your better understanding. So I will share all those codes to you, and you can able to practice all those things with your own computer and with your own laptop. And doing all those things, please make a screenshot and send us to group, so that we people understand you are getting it or not. Once again, if you get any difficulties during your practice sessions, we will be always there to help you out. You can interact with our personal WhatsApp number, and you can interact with our group. So always I will be there to help you out. Now move on our second portions of filtering. Now we will do something new. What to do? Just wait a bit. What to do now for your now we will do some different type of filtering. What type of filtering? I will do And now what we are doing, when we are fetching the data of Landsat, it will bring the entire the images of entire earth surface or images of entire globe. So we don't need, we need only the area of our corresponding study area. We need the area of our corresponding study area. So how to do it? Okay, so this is called filtered by geometry. This is called filter by geometry. Previous one was what? Filter by cloud. Now this is called filter by geometry. Now this is called filter by geometry. Okay, so now go with me. Okay, now I will bring one satellite image over here. So how to bring the satellite image? I strongly believe you people definitely able to answer. So var now take one variable name as L8, or you can take any other name like Landsat, whatever you want you can take. For the time being we are taking L8. Okay, now as the same rule, we will go over there, Landsat. Okay, now what to do? Now just go to our desired location. So it will take a little bit of time. So just copy it. Okay, and paste it. Now give a semicolon. Clear? Now we will take one geometry. So there are three type of geometry, you know. One is point, another is polygon, and the third one is line. Three type of geometry is there. So I would like to take polygon, one point. If I want to take one polygon, one point, then we should have two coordinates, one latitude and one longitude. If I able to mention one latitude and one longitude, then we will able to make one geometry. This will named as point. Okay, if we will able to take one latitude and one longitude, we will able to mention as point geometry. So we will assign one geometry as point, and that geometry will help to getting the image of particular locations. We don't need to have the images of entire globe. We only need the images of my assigning geometry. Assigning geometry means it may be line, it may be point, it may be polygon. So for the time being, we will choose a point for our study area. So once again, we will take Rampurhat. Go to our desired locations where it is. It is Duvarajpur, Shiuri, that Rampurhat. Okay. Now, uh, now what to do? Now you have to take one inspector and click on Rampurhat. Once you click on Rampurhat, with the help of inspector, you will have the latitudinal and longitudinal value. Okay. Now just go over there. VAR. Then you have to take one. You have to take one. You have to give one geometry name. So I am taking one geometry. That's why I am giving a name as geo. So you can choose any other name amongst them. But which is a very good practice. This is give a meaningful name for the proper variable and proper layer, so that the your next programmer will able to analyze your coding properly. So those are the coding decorum. Okay, so we will maintain that decorum for the betterment or for the improvement of that particular code. So GGO, now you have to assign one syntax, which is the syntax ee.geometry. ee.geometry, METRY, ee.geometry. Now, if we want to take line, if you want to take polygon, and if you want to take point. So if you want to take polygon, you have to take lots of point. So for the time being, as we have a fixed time frame, as we have a stipulated time frame. So that's why for the time being, we are taking points. For the time being, how to are. So now I am showing you how to take geometry of a point, how to take the geometry of a point, or how to declare a geometry in JavaScript, how to declare geometry in JavaScript. Now ee.geometry dot, which kind of geometry we will assign? Like when we prepare some shape file, what we usually do, we have to assign it is a polygon geometry. It may be whether it is a polygon geometry, or it's a line geometry, or it's a point geometry. And the same way, we have to assign that geometry also here. As we are going to explain the point geometry, that's why we have to assign the point. We have to type the value, we have to write the syntax as point. Next, what you have to do, give a first bracket, and then take the latitudinal and longitudinal informations of the geometry, and then go for paste and give a semicolon. Let's say, is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Is there any confusion? No. Now we will go for another mode, and we will go for more and more filter. Now we have already assigned geometry. Now we have already assigned what? We have already assigned geometry. Okay. Now one by one. Now we have to assign. I will make another. We have already assigned one geometry. Now we will go for filter with date. Now we will go for filter with date. Let's say I want to take the images of a particular portion, particular date, or particular time span. I want to take the images of particular time span. So how to do all those things? Just go with me. Take another variable and give a name, filter date. Filter date. Is it clear? Take another variable and give a name as filter date. Now go give a single is equal to sign. Now which will be from which variable, or from which image, or from which satellite image we will go for filtering? Which satellite image? The satellite image stored in which variable?
Landsat 8.
Satellite image stored Landsat. Variable name is
L8.
L8.
L8. Okay. Variable name is L8. Okay. Just copy it and paste it. Okay. Clear? Now, what to do? If I want to do filter, then I have to enter what? Dot filter.
If we want to place the cloud free image, then can we put here filter?
If you want to take the cloud free image, then we also take the cloud filter.
Yes.
Okay. So what type of you can also assign date, at the same time cloud, at the same time boundary. You can assign so many filter at a time. Okay, no issue. I will show you
Okay.
one by one. Those are just logical operations. You have to set the logic and you have to set the goal. Then you have to know the JavaScript properly. Then if you have the logic, if you have the goal, and if you have the JavaScript knowledge, then you will definitely able to perform all those things. Then if you have the model, the theoretical concept of that particular model which you want to run, then you will and you have the knowledge of JavaScript, then definitely you will able to execute your own model. So you don't need to wait for any senior who will provide you the date code, and you are usually which I am keep seeing that from the lots of from the research scholar versions, that they told me that, sir, I know Google Earth Engine and I practice, I am doing some operations over there. So when I asked them, you performed in Google Earth Engine, but dear, do you have any idea on JavaScript? He or she says, no, sir, I don't have any idea of JavaScript. Then I ask that particular student, so how do you perform all those things? He or she says that my senior gives me all those code, I just run it. So this is not at all a thing. So we should know JavaScript properly. If you know the JavaScript properly, if you know the how to write all those code, then you can only able to perform all those things. Unless until if you have the code, you don't able to modify it. If you have the code, if you able to know, or if you know how to write the code, then you can have the idea how to change and where to change. Now, how to change and where to change. So everything is going fantastically for some different locations. So in your locations, maximum value and minimum value you must have to change, but you don't able to understand what should I change over there. You must change the name of the variable according to your requirement, but you are not able to identify which should I change. So that's why I asked everybody to learn JavaScript in proper way and learn how to write the code, how to write the script, and how to interact with the computer. So that's why this is called language. This is the interpreter. That language understand my words also, and that my intention, that interpret to the computer, and computer will do the task accordingly. So my respected sir, madam, my dear students, and all research scholar, please go through that kind of knowledge of JavaScript. If this is, once again, this is very difficult due to make you learn all those things within stipulated time frame. It's a continuous process, lots of things to be learned, lots of things to be known, never ending process. Okay, I am working in the field of geospatial science since last 15 years. It's almost 16 years right now. Last 16 years, still I am learning all those things. Each and every day I am learning and learning and learning. So so it's a never ending process, na? Technology will be never ending process. So that's why I asked you if I am requesting to everybody, every person, don't stop your learning process right now. Make it continue, and make steeper your learning curve. It's a never ending process, and if you able to learn, your brain will be much more sharper. Okay, so that's why I will be always there, always asked me, always make me busy to answer you. Okay, I will never get tired, believe me. This is my I am sitting here, and this is my second workshop. From today, I also, from last 3 days, I am also attending as a resource person and another workshop in Kolkata, and which is going through live session. That means which is a offline workshop. I have to visit over there. It's almost 6 hour in a day. 5 days workshop, almost 6 hour days. 5 into 6, 30 hours workshop. I standed over there each and every day, 6 hour over there. I came back. It's in Kolkata. The people who are from Bengal, they know Kolkata, and they know the college name as Sri Shiksha College, which is a very reputed college in Kolkata. I stand over there for 6 hours and make them learn. After that, I came back home just about 6:45. Then I sit over here. Then I just delivered. I am delivering my speech, and you never feel that I am getting tired. I am getting bored. I am a little bit of. I am getting irritated within a short time of span. Never, because I enjoy my job. And you people are outstanding, you people are awesome, and you are responding for continuously, and it's always encouraged me to deliver myself. So after your sessions, after that, my regular classes is going on. So till in the midnight for 12:30, 1 a.m. I am taking my class. Lots of students, they are taking class from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, not only Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, as well as Nepal, our neighboring country Bhutan, as well as various part of the India. It may be from Pune, Bangalore, Noida. They are taking their class, and various type of people are enjoying. There is policeman, there is banker. All the people are getting the knowledge of GIS. So once you enjoy your job, you will never get tired. I am never getting tired due to during delivering my speech. So, and you people always, I am very thankful to you. You people are always encouraging me. So anyway, I am losing all so many time. So go with me. Now filter date. Okay, filter dot that date, date, filter dot date. Now you have to assign your desired date. From which date to which date? Last day, one participant asked me if I want to fetch the data of a particular time. So what to do? So give a date, and it has a selected format. What is the format? First you have to input year, let's say 2020. Then you have to input your month, let's say 001. Then you have to input your date, let's say 01. This is the starting date. Okay, and then you have to give one comma, and it will be your end date. How to give the end date? How to give the end date? Anybody? How to give the end date? In
At
the
first,
same pattern. In the same pattern. Uh, 02, 02, 20. Sorry, 2020. Now say 01 or 30. Sorry, or 02. Okay, and let's say কত দিই? Let's say 30. Clear? Now you can check it out whether filter date operation is going on or not. Okay, how to do? How to do, anybody? I want to check whether this line is going or not. Okay, so let's map dot add layer. If you forget, and you can also here implement your another filter also. Let's go for input all those filter one by one. Okay, map. Let's take one variable. Filter dot cloud. Let's say take filter of cloud. Filter cloud. Now filter cloud. Now remember what to do. What should be come over here? Filter cloud will be effect on which data? Which variable? What variable should be written over here? So
L8.
filter date, no. So in the L8, we have make one date filter. So we will make another filter on date filter. Can I make you understand?
Yes, filter date.
Yes, got it. So take filter. So those people who are from attending the class from our neighboring countries, and I want to give you a warm thank you and warm welcome to that seminar. And we are very honored to have you as a participants. So if you get any difficulties, always feel free to ask me. The persons who are from Bangladesh, বাংলায় বলি, তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো তো? আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পারছি।
থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, সাথে থাকুন। খুব ভালো লাগছে আপনারা বাংলাদেশ থেকে আমাদের সাথে পার্টিসিপেট করেছেন। আমরা আপনাদের আন্তরিকভাবে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এবং অবশ্যই চাইবো আপনারা আমাদের সেমিনারে আসুন এবং থাকুন, আমরা পরিচয় করব। ধন্যবাদ, ভালো থাকবেন, থাকুন সঙ্গে। হ্যাঁ, তো let's go. So give here filter date. Okay, then what to do? One by one. Then what to do? Then কি করবো এবার? Sorry, what to do? Filter, filter, filter. Then বলো একটু, sorry, say then filter date. dot filter, dot filter, dot filter. Now where to go? Landsat. Now take that one, cloud cover. Okay, cloud cover, give a single
LT.
quote. Yeah, right. LT, very good. Dot LT. Okay, then comma, let's say 5 or let's say 10, whatever. Okay, give a semicolon. And what is missing? Something is missing.
Sir, you put in cloud cover single colon, single quotation, and another if
Oh, bad. Good. Very good. Thank you. Who is that?
Sir,
Who is she?
Mo.
Okay, thank you. Mo Gorai.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, Mo. Thank you. So now go with me, variable. Now we will do another filter. We will extract the data with our geometry. We will extract the data with our geometry. Okay, we will extract the data with our geometry. We have already assigned the geometry. Where we assign the geometry? Here, this is the geo variable, and here we have assigned the geometry. Then we make another filter on geometry. Okay, now go with me. Filter. Now this is a filter with boundaries. Okay, bounds, bounds, bounds. Okay, filter bounds. Now go for it. Which variable will responsible for next filter?
Sir, it's not
Anybody?
yes, sir. Filter bound.
Filter bound. And
No, sir.
which?
স্যার
Bound,
বাউন্স না,
Yeah.
BOUND.
not a yes, sir.
So bounds, this is the variable name. You can give S, you can give so many S, no issue. This is a
Okay,
variable
okay,
name.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
this is a variable name.
Okay, thanks.
If you put some values over there, it will not make any sense. So if
Okay,
you give X, Y, Z, this is a variable name. Okay. So
okay, sir.
I want to ask you which variable will be responsible for next filter.
Sir, filter
Is it
cloud.
Q, filter cloud,
very good?
filter
Very good. Because filter cloud stores the existing filter. Okay, that's why filter cloud stores the existing data. So we will take filter cloud. Okay, then what to do? You people definitely able to say what to do. Dot filter. Okay, then dot filter. Then dot filter. dot filter. Now, if I want to do the filter with boundaries, filter with say let's say geometry. So for that particular reason, we have to assign one syntax. This is called bounds. Here you have to type bounds. Now S is essential over here. Okay, you have to must assign S, unless until it will not work, it will appear as black color. Now you have to assign bounds. Now give which, it will act on which boundary, it will act on which
Geometry.
geometry. Oh, very good. You have to assign that variable over here. You have to assign that variable over here. So everything is relatable, everything, every portion has a logic. Without logic, you will not able to execute all those things. Now give a bracket, okay, and give a colon. Now till that portion, is it very clear to you? Do you get till that portion, is it very clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
we have almost done one, two, three, four number of filter over there. So now I want to check it whether it is functioning or not. You can also use any one filter amongst them, or that depends on you. But definitely please do practice all those things, unless until you will not able to remember. If you not able to practice right now, you forget all those things. There is a phrase in English: hit the iron when it is hot. If iron became colder, if you heat again and again, it will not work at all. Okay, I know you people are you people are have a very tight schedule, in spite of that, it's a humble request to you. It will take at almost just about 15 or 10 minutes. If you sit constantly, you will able to execute. I will be always there. Now map dot add layer, very simple. If you forget, just type map dot add layer. Map dot add layer, just copy it, and paste it. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Now here, one by one, you will be able to solve all those things. So which will be EE object? EE object will be
filter bound, filter bound.
EE object will be filter bound. EE object will be filter bound. Okay, very good. Filter bound. Filter bound is responsible for store each and every data. Now vis params means visualizations parameter. Vis
Minimum
params
and
means
maximum.
visualizations parameter. Now here you have to provide minimum in a dictionary, minimum and maximum value. Just go with me, mean. It as we know, we will give 0.0, and as a max, we will provide 0.5, 0.6, whatever, 0.6. Then we have to use bands. Okay, then we have to use bands, then first bracket, sorry, square bracket, then incorporate all those bands like B5. You can also incorporate different band, not essential that you have to incorporate only those band. You can also incorporate different bands also. Okay, B5, and then B4, then B3, sorry, B3. Okay, clear? Now give a name, filtered data. Okay,
Sir,
so everything
data,
is fine.
sir, data. D.
Oh, sorry, extremely sorry. I am apologize for that. Please forgive me. Now it is fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, so these are the few lines. Okay, so there is, you can see a beautiful handicraft over there, and there is another beautiful handicraft. Anyway, just go for run, and just wait a bit. So something is asking over here. What is asking? Console filtered, elite filter is not functioning. Why? Let's check it out. Okay.
The date is mentioned as 30th February, which is not possible.
Oh, very good. 22. Let's go. Thank you.
Sir, I think
Another.
I think you missed the other like inbuilt function like ee.filter.date. That's why
Yes. EE dot filter. I have to assign EE dot filter over here. Very good. EE dot filter. All the time I have to mention that particular things. EE dot filter. Okay. EE dot filter. EE dot filter and as well as filter dot date. Okay, and at the same time you have to conclude one bracket over here. So filter, you don't need to have that thing. You don't need to have that thing. L8 dot filter bracket EE dot filter. I wrote filter earlier. So always filter date dot filter, then EE dot filter. Filter cloud dot filter, then EE dot filter. A filter L8 filter bracket EE dot filter date. Okay, got it? Now check. Now see, you can able to understand as I mentioned that geometry, the Google Earth Engine provides only that piece of image which contains that geometry, This is the use of that particular line. Now, Google Earth Engine is not providing data of entire Earth or entire globe, and that's why it's become much more faster to bring the data of entire globe. It will take a much more longer time, And as we mentioned the geometry, it's bring only the image of that particular locations. And we have also mentioned the date, we have also mentioned the cloud free coverage, and we have also mentioned the geometry, and it comes over here. And according to, you can also change the date, let's say make it 2021 to 2022. Within a few seconds it will brings the next slot of data. Got it? If you do this, if you want to go with the, same process using USGS, it will take a longer time. Now if we want to change the value, let's say make it 50, you will allow the tolerance value of 80. Let's see what happen. So little bit of cloud over there. As we mentioned that particular time, usually the cloud is not appeared in proper way. If you mentions the October and as well as the May, July, August, actually rainy season and October, the sky is usually full of cloud. And if you mention the January and February, that your image will be a little bit of hazy due to fog and due to moisture. Moisture means due to some haze over there. So April, May, February, March, April will be very good for collecting cloud-free data. Okay. So sometime that depend, sometime you may take the image of pre-monsoon and post-monsoon. So that depends according to your requirement. So you can do accordingly. So I will send the code, and this is for today's tasks. You can go with that. We already learned lot of things. So your task, I am giving you one assignment. Your task is to bring different layer here, different layer for different filter. So here will be one filter for filter date, another checkbox will be there for filter cloud, another checkbox will be there for filter boundaries. So this is your assignment. Try to go with that. And I am sending the data. Definitely you will able to, it will help to execute your assignment. And along with that, you have the code, you have the data, you have to modify the code as which I am saying you. As you know the how to write JavaScript, with Google Earth at Google Earth Engine, then definitely I strongly believe definitely you will be able to perform. Now if you don't have the idea to modify it, you will not able to perform now. But you people, you will definitely able to do all those things. And the people who are from Nepal, like Menuka is my students. She is doing class for a long time. She is from Nepal Tribhuvan University. Menuka, you do your same job for Kathmandu. My dear friend, who is from Bangladesh, please do the same job for Dhaka. And some who are from Pune, do the same job for Pune. There is lot of people over there who are from different locations. Please do the job for your surroundings. Okay, for your native place. Can I make you understand? Can I
Yes,
make
sir.
you understand? Okay. So I
Sir,
think
I have one doubt, sir.
yes, definitely.
Sir, you have mentioned the filter data for 2021 0101 to 2022 0222. So the image now showing in a map is specifically for which date, sir?
So,
It's up to
image. So just wait. I understand your questions.
yeah,
I
yeah, sir.
understand that. I am giving a time frame, and I am
Okay,
so during that time frame,
okay, sir.
what image will appear in front of me?
Yeah,
It may be dated 2, it may be dated 3, it may be dated
yes,
3.
sir.
So what image appeared in front of me?
Hmm.
So that there we have also incorporate few more datas, few more filters.
Okay,
So
sir.
amongst them, I have also incorporate one filter which is a cloud free filter, and I have mentioned here, let's say 5. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
among first first it will make a filter on date. Let's say in that case they find the find 5 number of slice over there. Okay, so amongst them, then it will recheck. Then it will recheck amongst those 5 number of slice which
Hmm.
contains the cloud cover less than 5%.
Okay,
That image will display over here. So
okay,
that
sir.
depends upon your logic. Okay,
Okay,
Sir,
this
okay,
is
sir.
the fact.
Okay, sir.
we want to
Okay.
give the reference of the particular date from which it is taken in any paper or methodology section of writing a papers, then how can we sure that this is from that particular date?
Yeah,
So
sir,
go to
can I clear this doubt, sir?
so go to
For Subhadeep
inspector.
Gupta's, can I?
Huh. Go to inspector, and here that inspector here lot of in that slide lot of images are available over there. You can check it out. Here is the metadata, and that metadata stores the entire informations of the data. Like that, this image is 2021 year and 01 date, and 10 is the month. This image contains 17 number of bands. So that numbers of data are available over here. Okay, though that numbers of images are available over there, and now you can export all those images according to your study area and according to your you can export it on your computer, and you can export it on your hard drive in anywhere. So that much of images are available, and that result is the mean almost best result regarding those image, which is it. And those 20 number of images is suitable for that criteria. Can I make you understand?
So it's image it's showing in a map. It's like a sample of that 23 images, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. If I
So Subhadeep, sir, in a manuscript, we can tell them that we can go with a specific time frame now. Now the for our learning purpose, sir has mentioned up to a 1 year gap. For our specific work, we can go up to a 10 days or 5 days. Landsat the time series, the revisit time is up to 16 days now. So
Okay,
in a
to
manuscript,
get
we can go with it like that.
date or the image, right?
So we
Okay.
can we can mention here, if I have a specific date, if I need a specific date, then let's say 2000, then I will mention in that way 2020, 2020, then 2, then 01, then 2020, then 02, then 02. That means one day. Can I
Yeah,
make you understand?
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Can I make you understand? Okay, in
yeah.
that way, you can give you you can get the exact images of that set of your requirement. So let's say
If it
2021, 01 01 2021 01 02. It will get the exact date, exact images of your desired date. Okay, so as for your example, I am giving you a time frame. In that time frame and that criteria, the object identify that number of images. Can I make you understand, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, once again, if you get further, if you have any queries, then I will be always there, and I will be very happy if you try your own intent, and if you get difficult, if you may face difficulties, please share with me. Although I will definitely try to help you out. Once again, I am saying that you can make a lock and key, or you can make a lock and key for your knowledge. Okay, and we will not able to confine our knowledge with a stipulated time frame. I will be always there, and my phone number will be there. Always feel free to ask me and make me busy and make me give me some difficulties. Maybe your project may be a little bit of difficult, your project may be out of my experience, then if I will work on it, then I also gathered some more and more new experience. I also face some challenge, so I am always ready to face the challenges, and I am very happy to get new challenges always. As a remote sensing engineer, it's my profession, it's my bread and butter. I am doing throughout the day that kind of job, and facing more and more problem day by day. Not only Google Earth Engine, it is not that I am working only Google Earth Engine. Coding is a but tiny part of my job. There is a lot of things. I have to work with lidar data, I have to work with drone, I have to fly the drone, I have to gather the image of drone, then I have to make it ortho rectification. I have to work with sonar data like bathymetric survey, underwater mapping, whether is there any sedimentation, or is there underwater sea surface, is there any continental shelf or continental slope, or any deep, or any trench. Lots of type of challenges I have to face. Each and every day is challenges for me. So whenever you get difficulties, I will always ready to get the challenge. Anyway, thanks to all of you for being with me, being bear me for such a long time. uh, if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you, unless until I am providing you the code, concept of the code. You just try it with your own logic and go for it. And
Sir,
if
sorry for
and
sorry for being interruption. I have another one doubt, sir. In a last
yes.
code, code number 17, there is a filter bound minimum 0.1, maximum 0.6. What it denotes, sir?
Okay. This is
Can we
the
change that,
brightness. Yes,
or
yes,
it is
yes.
a default?
This is no. This is not default. This is if you use ArcGIS,
Hmm.
or if you use any kind of geospatial software, there you can see those are the representations of value. That not This is the vis params. That means visualizations parameter. How it will appear as a concept of brighter or darker.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
so
okay,
it will
okay.
not hamper your data. It will not hamper your data.
Okay,
According to,
good.
let's say, some images has been captured in evening sessions, so
Okay,
that image may be underexposed. So that's at that time we have to extend the brightness value. And sometimes some images has been captured in noon sessions, that images are overexposed. very brighter. You will not able to understand everywhere. So at that time, you have to reduce the brightness value to get the to get much more better understanding. So there is no hard and fast rules. That depends according to your requirement, your criteria. You can also make change it, and let's see what happen with that changing. Then you can understand I should increase or I should decrease the value.
Is it
Okay.
contrast, enhancement?
Almost contrast, you can say actually it's depend say brighter value, but that means visualizations. It's a combination of contrast and brightness. So there are a lot of algorithm also using over there, maximum likelihood, minimum likelihood, lot of algorithm over there. You can also incorporate all those things, but for the time being I am not handling all those things. You can say also contrast. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
For broader appearance, it is visualizations or appearance. Okay.
Sir, we have put a single point and we are getting a area bound. So what is the extension of this area bound? How much degree, or is it any thumb rule?
Okay. So it's a good question. We have provide only one. Oh, sorry. We have over here. We have provide only one latitudinal and longitudinal informations, and you can see one extended image over there. So sir is asking that how much extend image that is. So basically thing is that satellite take one by one images. Those images are overlapping one by one image and another image and another image. So in during that particular geometry, which slice is available over here. So the geometry may be placed on here. In that geometry, that this number of slice is available. Okay, there is no geometrical extension. That geometry wise, this slice or this piece of image is available. Can I make you understand?
Yeah, so for geometry point, without considering a point, if we have any shape file for our study area, we can add.
We can have the images of shape file and surrounding it. The shape file maybe contains one or two piece of images that will provide 2 or 3 or 4 images. Okay, so that depends on your shape file covering area, and you can
to the shape file of Beerboom entirely, so it takes automatically as per shape file, as per given shape file.
It may be take it may take the images of surrounding portions also, but there is also another options is clipping. You can clip it out. You can clip your exact area of exact study area according to your shape file. There is also options. There is also code over there, one by one. If I will get time, definitely I will make you learn.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Because right now I'm doing this type of work for my flood mapping in the southeast coast. So that I'm asking.
Okay, sir. Best wishes always with you. I will be always over there. And during your executions of work, if you get always, I will be. If you get any difficulties, always I'll be there to help you.
Yeah, sure. One of my work has
And
been published.
if
For
you
further
want
work,
to
I
know, yes.
thank you, sir.
If you want to know more, always keep in touch. If you
Sure,
want to learn more and more, I will be always there to help you out. Okay.
Yeah, I got some of the points from you while he's speaking, sir, like a bathymetry in underwater surface mapping. I need some
Yes,
help
yes.
from you, sir. Sure, I will
Definitely.
message you or text you, sir.
For the underwater mapping, we are using usually sonar sensor. Sonar means
Yeah.
sound navigation and ranging. So actually, we are using near about 200 megahertz energy for the bathymetry mapping. And usually what we are doing to getting the volume of reservoir or volume of is there any sedimentations or not, if the sedimentation over there, how much we need to dig before rainy season, like a lot of dam over there. So before monsoon, we have to measure the capacity of the dam
Oh,
with the
okay.
sonar sensor.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
then if I found we have to get the result, we have to get the predictions of the meteorological department, that they said that that much of rain may occur. So considering those things, we have to measure the volume. Accordingly, how much water we can acquire, how much water we can store, and that depends on the volume, and that depends on the sedimentation. So if we are afraid about rain and we release all the water, and if that much of subsequent rain is not occurred, then in the summer sessions we have to suffer for lack of water and irrigation. So that is a very complex process over there. And if we not release the water accordingly, if massive rain has been occurred, then we have to release the massive number of water, massive number of water, and it became a disaster. So considering all those things, we have to measure all how much area has been, what is the volume of the dam. Then we measure the sedimentations, and then we create a bathymetric map. Then we found where the sedimentation is maximum. We should if you need to store much more water, then we have to make a dredging. So in the mountain area or in the plateau region, it is very difficult to bring one specialized ship which is dedicated for dredging. It will not able to we will not able to float the ship on that particular area. We will not able. So that's why on that particular case, what we actually did on that case, we release few numbers of gates where the sedimentation has been stored. Okay, and
Okay.
we close rest of the gate. So entire, let's say the right side portion has the sedimentations. So
Ah,
we opened only two gates of right side, and close the rest of the gates of the dam.
okay.
And the entire water make a force on that particular gate and give a huge pressure to release the water. During
This is
that
sediment.
pressure, numbers of sedimentation has been cutting out. So
Okay.
in that way, we measured, our hydrologist was there. They measured in that much of time, we released that cubic of water. So that much of water has been released. Now store the gate, close the gate, and once again once again make another bathymetric survey, and then we should get the result. Then we get the result that that much sedimentation has been cutting out, and now our volume is uh, reach the our requirement. Then we can go for we can
Okay.
stay with that situation. Now wait for the monsoon. Now we can wait for the monsoon. If some predictions, some calculations, if there's some mismatch, then the disaster has been occurred. Because sometime nature is not work with our uh, what I say, with our predictions, with our calculations. So especially in hilly region, excessive number of water uh, is getting much more difficult,
Yes,
because
sir.
in
Yes, sir.
hilly region, what happen actually, they carries the boulders during flash flood or
Floating sediment.
during heavy
Yeah.
rain. But in lower Gangetic plain or lower courts, they doesn't carries any heavy stone or heavy boulders. So
In
we
those
can
areas, there
like
will be a
Farakka barrage,
sedimentation
lower.
rate is high.
So they make much more pressure, and they much more energies on dam. So we are calculating with the base of water. Okay, so
Okay.
thing is happened different. they during the heavy water flow, the big boulders are rolling with that water flow. So that hit again and again with our dam. So it getting much more difficult to calculate how much boulder will come, how much pressure will we have to face. So it is a very complex process, which is the slope, which is the aspect, and sometimes some buildings are collapsed, and during the collapsing of the building, the concrete is moving, entire building concrete is moving, and they create much more extra energy on dam. So we are calculating only water, so thing is going different. Some mud is coming, some boulders are coming, some destroyed houses, concrete, part of bridge, pillar, all are coming, and they create much more pressure on our dam. So it is very difficult uh, uh, to handle with the nature, you know.
Yes, sir.
So, but we have tried our best each and every time.
Okay. So I have another doubt in the what you have said to me. Uh, you guys have do any modeling like things to uh, justify your work in a theory, like flood
My
modeling, flood modeling,
so
Mike
we
or
have to use.
HECRAS, like software?
No, Hecras is not in use in the professional field. There is not at all a use of that particular things. Hecras is fully confined in the research-based applications, but it doesn't have any physical applications in the production field, or you can say in the real world. So in the real world, we don't use that kind of model. We have different hydrological model for our flood predictions. There is water hammer, there is different software like water gym, like water hammer. All are different use in the field of AutoCAD, with the collaboration with the AutoCAD software.
Okay.
So there are different technologies over there to measuring all those things actually.
Okay, sir. Because
But
in my
still,
research I have
but
incorporated a
still,
HECRAS model.
still a lot of model over there. If you have the
Hmm.
model, you can and if you have the Google Earth, proper knowledge of Google Earth engine, then you can apply your logic with on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Okay, I think
so
our conversation is a bit longer than 15 minutes. We can come again with this yeah, workshop, sir. I will
uh,
message you when you get a free time. I will get in touch with
definitely.
you for a call, sir. I need a more clarification stuff with you.
Anybody amongst you want to get more and more knowledge regarding GIS and remote sensing,
Yeah,
uh, I will be always there to help you out.
yeah, I
Okay.
have a bunch of friends with this doubt, sir. So
Hmm.
on time,
I
I think we get a one nice call with you. Sure, sir.
Okay. So, so thanks. So, in that sessions, I can see there are so many students of my so many my students are already attending that seminar, and it's a proud moment for me also, and all other respected teachers also, that our students are giving their own paper. They are representing, they are showcasing their papers to amongst the all of the well dignified people. So anyway, and I am really honored to be here to share my views, to share my experience to all of you people, who most honorable people, most honorable respected teachers like you. So thanks to you, or thanks to all of you to bear me, and thanks to once again, thanks to Rampurhat College Geography Department to give me that kind of opportunities to share my views, share my experience to all of you. Thank you so much, sir. So So
Thank
if you have no doubt,
Thank
then
you. Thank you.
I would like to hand over my mic to sir. Sir, over
Okay.
to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Anybody having query from participants?
Hello, sir. Uh,
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, sir, I have a request. In this
Yes.
session, lots of people asking lots of question. So instead of if they post a question in WhatsApp, so we can, we have some suggestion or if we have some comments, so we can easily put there.
So actually, what do you asking for? You want to say your question through group, is it? WhatsApp
Yeah,
group, is
yeah,
it?
yeah. Like lots of people
Yes.
asking lots of questions regarding GE. So if we have any idea regarding the question or if we have any answer, so we can easily put over there and people can easily we can talk easily in the group. So if the question
Sure,
is
ma'am.
there, so
Yes,
Sure,
yeah.
sure.
definitely. I am saying it repeatedly. I am always over there to help you out. If you can ask your questions on group, if you are not comfortable at group, we can direct text me. Always I am saying again and again. Always I will try to help you out, and not only that, I will happy to help you out. Okay, I will be happy to help you out. So you can ask your questions on group, or as well as you can direct text me.
Anybody
Okay.
having questions? I think there is no question, so we'll conclude here. Heartfelt thanks to our esteemed resource person for sharing their valuable expertise and insights, which have greatly enriched this program. We also extend our gratitude to our all the participants from their active engagement and enthusiasm, which have been instrumental in making this workshop a resounding success. Your contributions are deeply appreciated. Tomorrow marks the final session of this workshop. So until then, take care. Have a good night.
Thank you. So with your permission, we shall we leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Uh,
can leave.
Okay. Thanks to all of you. Stay safe, stay blessed. We will meet again tomorrow at that same time.
Thank you
Thanks
very
to
much.
all.
Okay.